will have I will have to explain to you regarding the answers that you are going to give, especially for the number one quiz. I mean that one, the test one quiz. The test one quiz is all about it is all about the finding the subject and the verb. So I did not place or I did not write a multiple choice, or it is not a multiple choice. So you will be the one, take notes, you will be the one to write the correct subject and the verb. So if you look at it, if you listen to our lesson yesterday as well as the other day, you will be able to see that the quiz was actually based on this slide. Okay, it was actually based on this slide. So you are going to simply write the subject, comma, space, and then the verb. Okay, that is what you are going to do. For example, I am going to start here. For example, oh gosh, like that. So if you look at it, I am going to the plaza. Since the subject, I mean the test is finding the subject and the verb, you will be asked to write the subject as well as the verb. So I am going to write my answer like this: I, comma, then So that would be my answer. So this is how you are going to give me your answer. So can you see what I have wrote on the chat box? So that would be the pattern. That is how you are going to answer the test one. Okay. That is how you are going to answer the test one. Take note, test one is every number for test one is equivalent to 2 points. Every number to test one is equivalent to 2 points. So if you forgot or if you are not sure about your answer, you will lose 2 points. You will lose 2 points. It is only 5 items or 5 numbers, but please take, take time to read, take time to uh take time to analyze the sentence and that was being asked. Okay. And then for the second type of the test, which is the subject and the verb agreement, you can also refer to the rule. Can also refer to the rule. So subject and the verb agreement is actually per number. It is 1 point per number. Okay. So are you all ready to have the test? It's okay now if I am going to send you the test already. So since there is no answer, I guess it must be okay, right? Okay, go to the chat box. Go to the chat box. So the test or the quiz has been posted on the chat box. That test or the quiz has been already posted on the chat box. Ask questions if you find it hard. Okay, you can ask questions if there is something that might confuse you. Okay, and then what else? Do not forget what I told you regarding the first type, the test one test or the test one quiz, which is all about the finding the subject and the verb. To write the subject, comma, space, and then the verb. That is what you are going to write as your answer in every number. Okay? In every number. Do not forget. Listen carefully. I am giving you the instruction as fast as possible. Take time to read the sentences. Take time to analyze. Okay?
Miss,
Yes, Sula.
click it now.
Hmm? I already
Click
said,
it now.
yes, you can click it now.
Okay, miss.
Can you open it?
Hello, miss. Sorry, I'm late.
It's okay, Grace. I will have to send the okay? I will have to send the quiz again. Okay, the quiz has been posted on the chat box. Those whose camera has been turned off, please turn on your camera, okay?
Okay. So I just turned off my camera because that was my little sister.
Okay, ma'am. You have two accounts here, right? The one with the chessboard as well as with the name only.
Hello, Miss. I'm new student. I'm Felicia.
Hi, Felicia. Can you turn on your camera? Padam, padam, padam. I only knew right now that the Korean of padam is, I mean the English of padam, Korean word is listen.
Fail
Listen.
to detect your speaker.
Ah, actually, my daughter is actually watching Blackpink music video. Since I am actually having my class here, I can also see or I can also watch this video. I am quite impressed by the singer. It's the only time that I was able to see them or to watch them. So that is why I think they are very good. They are also good looking, right? Are also good looking and they are very good in dancing. So how do you find the quiz? Is it difficult or is it okay? Oh, somebody already sent the response. Okay.
Finally.
Okay, so Clara, you said the response already. Again, I would like to remind you to be able to work with your quiz. Do not answer very fast. Analyze first, okay? You need to analyze, okay? So because if we look at it, you may be able to get low score, okay? Again, I would like to remind you to read and understand the sentences. Good, okay? Do not answer very fast. Take time.
I don't have email, Miss.
You can use your mom's email or your dad's email.
Uh,
Yeah. Just do not forget to write your name, okay, Grace? Don't forget to write your name. Can use your mom or your dad's email. But You need to write the name. Do not forget to write the name. Because if you forget to write your name, I will have to list your mom or your dad as the student. Okay? There are three responses that I was able to receive.
Miss, I'm done.
Yes. So far the scores are not good. The scores are not good. I told you, please take time, read the question, read the sentences before you write your answers. Read the sentences before you write your answers. So those who were able to, okay, some of these I will have to double check it because the problem with having the short answer is that the way I wrote it may not be the way you wrote it. That is why it may become wrong. So that is why I need to check this one. So I show one. Okay. I show one. Here is the quiz or is the scores below. You'll have to go back to the lesson. Okay? You will have to go back to the lesson. You look at this one. The highest score, take note, the highest score so far is only 8 over 20. Among the 4 responses that I was able to receive, only the highest score is only 8. Okay? The highest score is only 8. So do not answer your papers or your quiz very fast. You need to double check. Okay. 6 responses. The highest is still 8. Okay? Nobody got even half of the quiz. Nobody got even half of the quiz. Okay? It is quite alarming because you have been, okay, take notes, you have been answering your quiz very fast without even thinking about this one, okay? Okay, 7 responses, still 8. 8, okay? Ten responses. I was not able to double check it yet, but the highest score right now is only 9. The highest score is only 9. Okay?
I'm a bit, I'm a
Yes.
bit nervous to sub. I already done, but I'm too nervous to submit.
The
I'm
highest is only
afraid.
9. A 9.
I'm feeling nervous to clicking the submit. A submit cannot be undone.
Submit. So I received 13 responses. Still, the highest is 9. I mean, there are 2 students who got 9. There are also 2 students, or 3 students who got 8. 1 student who got 7. 1 student who got 6. 2 students who got 6. 3 students who got 5.
So
2 students who got 4.
I'm so scared to click the submit button.
And then there There is also one student who got only one. He or she got only one. The score is only one. Okay? So as much as possible, please. As much as possible, answer. When you
Miss,
answer, yes, yes, Katrina.
is the quiz start?
Yeah. You're late. So I will have to send it again. Okay, good. So Aaron, I am going to send the link again. Okay. So you and Katrina,
What,
yes,
Miss?
I sent the test or the quiz again. You can open, you can click the link.
Okay, Miss,
Yeah,
thank you.
you're
What? I'm not
welcome.
telling you. I'm not telling you what.
We are having the quiz right now. You can click the link. You can click the link of the quiz.
Where, Miss?
Chat box. Look at the chat box. Go at the chat box. Click the link. Have you seen the quiz? Have you seen the link, Aaron? Responses. Copy.
You,
Responses.
Miss.
One got 9. Yes.
Okay, I'm done submitting. Hopefully the score is good. I'm done. I'm going to do something else.
Yes, I was not actually expecting that it will be this low. The scores are low, actually. So 15 responses, only 2 got 9. Only 2 got 9, okay? So I told you to please double time. I mean, take your time. Take your time, not double time. Take your time before you submit. Because based on the results, based on the responses that I was able to receive, I have seen that the scores, uh, the highest score is only 9 over 20. But I will still have to double check it because the way you wrote it from the first type of the quiz may not be the same with the how I wrote it. So I will have to consider that one. I will have to double check. Okay. So I received 16 responses.
I'm
So,
done, so I'm going to use those 3 times.
yeah, still the highest is 9. So nobody score score the score of 9. What do you think, Mike? What part of the quiz may you have find it difficult?
Come again.
What part of the quiz you found difficult?
Difficult one. Well, it's not very difficult, but I am very a bit of see on number 1 until number 5. The first one until number 5. Because it will say to write subject and verb. I try Try to make it a bit, not very too mess up, but a bit kind of a bit clean. But I'm afraid that the bit mirror we're going to see that it will be messed up.
No problem. But I saw your response already, but I cannot reveal the scores yet. So based on the responses that I was able to receive, the highest score is still 9. Three students got 9. Three students also got 8. One student got 7. Two students got 6. Three students got 5. One got 4. And then one got 1 also. So we have
I
16
want to
responses.
see my score.
How many students do we have? We have 21 or 22, 21, I mean 22 students because Annie and Sandara are actually 1, 2. Okay.
Okay, I want to see my score.
Your score. Aha. Anything about your score?
Yes, I am so excited to see the score.
What do you think? Is your score high or is your score low?
I think it's medium.
Ah,
I think it's medium. Kinda so.
medium. Let's see.
Yes, I am not so sure.
I know your score, by the way. I already saw your score. But I will not reveal your score yet.
Reveal it now.
I will not reveal your score yet. Because some are still the quiz. There are certain considerations regarding the test one because I told you the way you wrote it may not be the same with the way I wrote it, right? So I am considering it uh if the answer is actually correct regardless of how you wrote it. I will consider it. But if the answer is wrong, I will not check it, right? I'm not going to trust it.
Let me just do my time.
Yeah, we still have 26 more minutes. So I only received 16 responses. So we're still waiting for 6 students to submit their responses. So for all those who are not able to submit their response yet, double check your answer. Take time to answer your quiz. That do not rush in answering your quiz. Have so much time. Okay, we still have so much time. So I received the responses of Farrell, Mark, Catherine, Rosemary, Sandara, Honey, Inhan, Rayhana, Wena, Cynthia, Asishin, Mariana, Inda, Nicolas, Tristan, and Clara. I received the responses of the following students. So the highest score I can tell you is that it is still 9/20. But I told you earlier, I am still considering the test one. Okay, the test one, because how you wrote it may be different from how I wrote it. That is why I have to consider if your answer is correct. Okay? So I hope Katrina, Aaron, Juliet, who else? Uh, Michael, Felicia and Shanessa are going to take time to answer their quiz. They have and read sentence before answering. Okay, who are going to take a test. The best advice that I can give you is to understand what was being asked. Your part, since this is actually an English subject, comprehend, you need to understand and then analyze. Okay? Analyze before answering. There are no one or nobody will or nobody is going to race with you. Okay? Nobody is going to race with you. That is why I am telling you to please take time and answering your quiz. But have to rush. Okay? That have to rush. You will be able to receive 20 for now. We are going to continue with our question. Okay? We are going to cover that. Still responses. We are still waiting for four more responses before we are going to continue with our lesson. Okay? So still the highest is 9. The highest is 9. If you look at it, 9 can be only taken from 2. So from test 1, may have to determine your final score. Later, I will, by the way, it is me who is going to determine that one because I will have to recheck your responses, okay? But for now, if we look at it, if I said your score is only 9, it must be the part regarding the subject and the verb agreement. It is quite good already. It can be okay because from 10 points, from that 9. So only one mistake. But we will have to determine the final score if I already double check your test 1. Okay? If I already double check your test 1. So sometimes it can be difficult to give a quiz with which you need to give the answer because it actually is can depend on the answer that you wrote from the Google form, right? That is why I need to go back to that one again. But some, I was not expecting that the part regarding the subject and verb agreement, they also got low score or they also find it difficult. They may be confused. But actually, if you look at the quiz, I actually made the quiz based on the different rules. I actually take note. I actually take the quiz based on the rules regarding the either neither or nor something like that. I always give emphasis to that one, right? Yesterday when I review one more regarding the quiz for today's quiz, I also told you to be able to at least, right? So I received 20 responses, only 2. Again, the highest is only 9. The highest is only 9. Highest is only 9.
Miss,
Yes, you agree.
I'm done the quiz.
Yeah, I saw your quiz. I saw your score. Already saw your score.
Katrina done, Miss.
Yes, I also saw your score, Katrina. I remember, Katrina, you used to be very small before, right? You used to join our class before. Your face is familiar actually. You are together with Catherine, something like that. You are classmates with Catherine before. Okay, so we're still waiting for 2 more responses from Felicity and Felicia and Vanessa. So after they submit their responses, then we will continue with our lesson. Okay? After they submit their responses, we will continue with our lesson. Then I will tell you how to do it. But before we started the class, I told you earlier, right? I told you earlier how you are going to answer task 1. Simply write the subject first, followed by the comment, and then the verb. So that is how you are going to write your answer. Okay, some they wrote the subject, the word subject, and also the word verb. But I will have to consider that one later. Yes. So we're still waiting for two more students to submit their responses. Felicia and Shanita. Okay. So the highest score is 9. So I have this I have checked this one student answer. I He's 9, got 9, but when I recheck it, he got 13, like something like that. He got 13. I will have to double check it first. I was not yet sure about that one because the responses kept on going and going. That is why I was not able to finish rechecking the answers. Okay? We still have 5 more minutes and we're still waiting for 2 more response. Okay? I cannot start the lesson yet because some are still taking the quiz. So on Friday, I'm going to reveal the scores. Okay? I'm going to reveal the scores. How are you, Katrina? What grade are you now?
I'm
It's
good,
okay.
Miss.
Huh? What grade are you now? Katrina, how old are you, by the way?
9 years old, Miss.
9 years old. Do you have a sibling who also used to join the CIS before? You have a
Yes,
brother?
Miss.
What's the name? Your brother. What's your brother's name?
What, Miss?
What is your brother's name?
My brother names
Yes.
Nicholas, Miss.
Nicolas. The other Nicolas, right? The other Nicolas, not Nicolas. Nicolas and Noel, right? Not Nicolas and Noel.
Nicholas Jordan Yuandi, Miss.
Yes, I remember. Where is Nicolas right now?
In
Doesn't
his room.
huh?
In his room.
So he doesn't join the CIS class anymore?
No, Miss.
Okay. What grade is he right now?
He doing, Miss.
Okay. Thank you for coming back, Katrina. Where do you go to school? Is it also in Santa Lucia?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So I actually remember your face. So as with your So as your brother, I just forgot the name. You are together with Catherine before, right? Like together with Catherine and the other children. I forgot Ronnie. Ronnie, I no longer see Ronnie right now. So Ronnie is actually your batch before, and then Noel and Hilda, they are both CIS before, followed by Tristan and Honey, as well as Josephine, right? Mariana is also with us before, which is quite good that she decided to come back. How are you, Mariana?
I'm fine, Miss. How about you?
I'm fine. How was your health? Is it okay now?
Hmm? What, Miss?
Are you okay now?
Yes, Miss. I was okay.
Ah, very good. What grade are you now?
I'm in grade 6.
Oh, you're already grade 6. So you're going to graduate from elementary, right? And then you will be in middle school. Wow, very good. So I think Inda is also in grade 6, right? Inda, you're also in grade 6 or in 7th grade already?
Yes, miss.
7th grade.
What,
So
miss?
are you in 7th grade or are you in 6th grade?
Sixth grade.
6th grade. So you're batch with Mariana. Mariana and Hilda are both in 6th grade. How about Tristan? I think Tristan is younger than Inda, right? Tristan is the same age with Alfonso, I guess, because they are friends. Right, Tristan? You are friends with Alfonso, so you must be the same age, right? And who else? Honey is in 6th grade also, I think. Honey, is that correct that you are also in 6th grade? So I will look. We still have 20 responses, so we're still waiting for the 2 responses. Josephine is in 6th grade also, right, Josephine? Or 7th grade?
What, Miss?
What grade are you now?
5th grade.
Ah, 5th grade. So Noel is in 7th grade while you are in 5th grade. So I was thinking that you're already in 6th grade. I am looking at Reza and Rayhan. Ah, no. Reza and Rayhan are siblings, right? I look at them, they really look alike. If I will just simply place a wig on Rayhan's head, he will look like Reza. Right? They are very alike. They are very same in facial features. Okay. But Nicholas and Noel, they are also siblings. Nicholas is, I think, in same grade with same grade with Catherine and Katrina. Noel is, I think, in 7th grade. Right, Noel? You're already in 7th grade, Noel? There is Noel.
Yes.
Okay. So Noel and my daughter Tiara are both in 7th grade. So it's good that you are still here, Noel. So I was actually looking at for you last time because you did not join our class, right? So Tiara, due to her busy schedule, cannot attend the class. She is actually attending the practice for in preparation for the incoming opening of classes on August 5. Their classes will start on August 5, while our classes, the school that I am teaching, It will start on July 29. How about in your place? When will be your opening of classes? When will be your opening of classes? Is it already starting or you are still having your vacation? One, are you still having your vacation right now or your classes are already starting? Only one. We're still waiting for only one student. Only Felicia. Felicia is actually a new student. So I received Shanesa's response. So I will have to double check this one and then we are going to discuss the test or the quiz on Friday, right? We are going to discuss the quiz on Friday. And then what else? Uh again, we if I think if Sir Harry will see this one, he may be quite surprised with the score. But I will have to tell him about that one, right? So the scores is still upon receiving 21 responses, there are only 3 who got 9. The highest is actually 9. Okay, so it's almost time by the way. It's 5:57 in your country, while in my country, it's 6:57. So by the way, we are 1 hour ahead from your country. But I heard from Sir Harry that some part of Indonesia, they have the same time with us. It's true. Uh, there is this part in Indonesia wherein the clock or the time is the same with the Philippines. And I also read from the news that there is this specific place in Indonesia that that talks in Tagalog. I do not know how true it is. They said that there is this part in Indonesia wherein the people used to talk in Tagalog. Tagalog, by the way, is the official language of the Filipino. It is actually our official language. It is comparable to English language in our country because we also have so many dialects or language in our country. So in order for us to be able to understand, we need to learn Tagalog, we need to speak Tagalog so that all of us can understand each other. So according to the ones that I have run into in the internet, I guess there is this specific place in Indonesia wherein the people used to speak in Tagalog. I do not know. I do not also know where the exact location of that place is. And I also read from the news that I do not know if it's already in your word it. There is this big snake who ate a lady alive. He ate the lady alive. The snake ate the lady alive, and it made the lady was killed by that snake. And then, according to the news, the snake was killed also by the people from the certain place in Indonesia. Have you heard it? Oh, okay. It's already 6 p.m. So